Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Humming Space. Today the topic I have chosen is why fluency is not fast speaking. So let's begin. I have seen many people who speak English very fast. Sometimes it becomes really difficult to understand what they actually say. And honestly, I strongly believe that fast speaking does not mean fluency. So first of all, let's understand what is fluency. Fluency means speaking clearly, confidently, and naturally. It means using proper intonation, rising and falling tone according to the sentence and according to the situation also. Fluency also means speaking grammatically correct English, pronouncing words properly and smoothly without forcing them. And I believe that is fluency. Now let me share my own example. Earlier, when I had started learning English, I used to speak very slowly. Not because I wanted, but I did not have enough vocabulary. Most of the time, I was thinking in my mother tongue and then translated into English. And we all know translation takes time and translation affect fluency. Gradually, when I started speaking with different people, even with tutors, I came across many words, some advanced, some very simple, but all of them were very important in a specific context. With daily practice, I continuously tried to inculcate new words at the time of speaking. At first, I felt uncomfortable, but slowly those words became active in my mind, and after some time, I noticed a change. I started speaking more clearly with proper pause, proper intonation, and even lesser mistakes. And that was the turning point. I strongly believe that fluency is not achieved overnight. It requires practice, a learning attitude, positive mindset, and most importantly, persistence. To gain fluency, speaking is a must. When we speak every single day with discipline and with a fixed time, our mouth become accustomed to speaking English. Our tongue learns pronunciation and our brain learns sentence flow, and gradually speaking starts coming naturally. Next comes the listening part. When we consume English content daily with full concentration, it helps us tremendously. We gain new ideas, we get new expressions, new vocabulary, and even correct uses in a context. Many times we know a word, but when still we are unable to use them, listening helps us fix all the problems. Now let's talk about the four pillars of learning English: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And I believe all four are important. But in the beginning, listening and speaking should be your priority. Gradually, you should include reading. I strongly believe reading is extremely powerful. It helps us improve sentence structure, correct grammar unknowingly, understand different contexts, gain fluency naturally, and when we read regularly, our brain starts storing patterns and slowly we start framing sentences better. Now comes the writing part. Writing fixes language in our mind. When we write regularly, we become more aware of sentence structure, tense uses, grammatical accuracy. And if you are a beginner, you can start with just 5 sentences a day or write a small paragraph about what you did yesterday, what you are doing today, and what you will do tomorrow. This practice alone can improve your past, present, and future tenses. Many learners reach a stage When they speak very confidently but unknowingly, they make many tense errors. Writing helps us identify and correct those mistakes slowly. Now, let me give you an example. There are two people. The first person is extremely passionate about learning English language. He practices speaking daily, talks to 4 5 people, speaks for 20 to 25 minutes, reads regularly, listen to podcasts, writes at least one pages a day. He follows proper schedule without worrying about quick results. He believes in the process, and yes, he even burns the midnight oil. Now the second person, he also wants fluency, but he only listens to podcast casually. He rarely speaks. He practices for a few days and then skips many days, but still he believes he will become fluent only in 2 months. Is it possible? You already know the answer. One very important thing, feedback. Many learners practice for years but stay at the same level. Why? Because they do not know what mistakes they are making. And when mistakes are repeated again and again, it becomes our habit, and breaking that habit is very difficult. So feedback is not optional, it is essential. In a nutshell, I would like to say fluency does not mean fast speaking. Fluency comes with consistency, daily speaking, active listening, reading, writing, feedback, and yes, patience. When we immerse ourselves in English completely, fluency comes automatically, just like our mother tongue. Word starts coming naturally without force. That is real fluency. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Humming Space. Thank you for watching.